Welcome to YK360, your ultimate guide to Saudi life. In today's video, we're diving into the step-by-step journey of obtaining a Saudi driving license. Whether you're a beginner or have some driving experience, this guide will help you ace the process. So let's get started. Step 1, the power of your Iqama. Before anything else, you need a valid Iqama, your key to accessing various services in Saudi Arabia. An Iqama is your residency permit and proof of your legal status in the kingdom. Without it, you can't proceed. What? Step 2. Booking your appointment on Absher. Next, head to the Absher portal, Saudi Arabia's official platform for all government services. Log in and book an appointment for the driving school of your choice. We've made it super easy for you by creating a dedicated tutorial on how to book appointments on Absher. Click the link in the description to check it out. Step 3. Initial test at the driving school. On your appointment day, visit the driving school for the initial assessment conducted by the Marur Traffic Police. Here's what you need to know. Good driving skills? You'll be placed in the 690 SAR package. Intermediate skills? The fee jumps to 1500 SAR. Beginner? The cost is 3000 SAR as you'll need extensive training. Don't worry, the course duration varies based on your package, and you'll have enough time to master the skills. Step 4. Secure your spot with payment. Complete your payment at the driving school, and you'll receive login credentials for your training portal. This is your gateway to the next steps. Step 5. Theory classes. Knowledge is power. Using your login credentials, check for your theory class appointments. These classes are designed to boost your understanding of Saudi driving rules. As you attend the sessions, your account score will increase, bringing you closer to your goal. Step 6. Nail the theory test. This step is where many candidates stumble, but not you. Once you receive your theory test appointment, head to the driving school and ace the test. We've got your back with plenty of helpful resources. Watch our videos for guidance. Get our question bank for guaranteed success. Just WhatsApp the number displayed on the screen, and we'll send it to you. Next, step 7. Gear up for practical training. Congratulations! Passing the theory test means your score increases, and you're now eligible for practical driving classes. Your training schedule depends on your package. 690 SAR one-day training, 1500 SAR, and 3000 SAR. Longer sessions for more comprehensive learning. Follow your instructor's guidance closely. This is your chance to master the art of driving. Step 8. Don't forget the medical test. Before your final test, visit an authorized hospital for the driving license medical test. The cost ranges from 115 SAR to 200 SAR, so plan accordingly. Step 9. The grand finale, practical test. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for. Attend your final driving test and show what you've learned. Pass the test and your score will hit 100%. The very next day, visit the driving school, pay the license fee based on the number of years you want, and get your driving license instantly. Ready to rule the roads? You've now mastered the complete process of getting a Saudi driving license. From booking your first appointment to holding your license, we've got you covered. If this video helped you, show some love. Like, share, and subscribe to YK360 for more practical guides and tips. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, drive safe.